Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I had a company contact me, BelleChloe, and they wanted to send me some magnetic lashes to try. I said, why not? On my old channel, I tried some magnetic lashes that I ordered off of Amazon, I believe, and it was an absolute fail. I wish I still had the footage for that because it was a hot ass mess. But I figured that was, over a year ago, and I'm sure that they have, changed the way that they do these magnetic lashes now. I decided, yeah, I'll go ahead and try them. So it will pop up on the screen the different styles that they have. They offer the natural. They also have a sporty style, a double demi wispy, and then the dramatic. And of course, being the drama queen that I am, I ordered the drama style. So I will go ahead and show you how the packaging came. The packaging is super cute. All of their stuff is got this wake up makeup on it. Here's the actual case. I will go ahead and let you guys see what the shipment came in, how the boxing looked. Absolutely adorable. I love the packaging and the way that it was presented. That is a huge kudo points for me because I love packaging. I feel like it's just the first look that you get at a product. So if the packaging's super cute, you already halfway got me. What it looked like on the inside when I opened it up, it has this super cute little case with an actual mirror, which is nice. These are the lashes. So I see that they have just the single long one, and then I guess you're supposed to anchor these underneath. The other ones that I used had double long ones, so you would just sort of sandwich your eyelash in the middle. It was so difficult to use, but we'll see how these work. I'm a little concerned. And anyway, so it came also with a lash tweezer. I don't ever use these, so I'm sort of nervous about that. And it feels like it's metal, so maybe it's meant to help stick the eyelashes on there since they're magnetic, so that. And it came with this little card. And then on the back, it tells you what you're supposed to do. And of course, I don't follow goddamn directions, so we're gonna figure this out. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I did have eyelashes on earlier and I had eyeliner. So when y'all get up close and personal on my eyelashes, just ignore all the mess, okay? We're focusing on the magnetic lashes today. We're not focusing on all the foolery that's going on up here. So let me go ahead and read these instructions. It says hold the applicator horizontally and connect each end top lash strip to the, okay. So here we go with the broken English instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and get through this as best as I can. Hold the applicator horizontally and connect each end of the top lash strip to upper prong. Okay, so basically it's telling me that I need to go ahead and hold the lash that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these off. And as you can see, I don't know if these are actually sticking to this container. It is magnetic. You can see how it just sort of sticks there. You know what? Let's get close and personal with these lashes so you guys can see. You can see that it has these little magnets all throughout. There's 3 of them. So I guess that's where you're going to attach the bottom portions of the lashes. So let me see, because this was a mess last time. So it's supposed to be able to stick the lash on here, bottom and top, and then just sort of squeeze it onto your eye. Okay, we will see how that works. Not touched these before, obviously. I do not know what I'm doing. So we're gonna try to figure this out on the fly. It sticks right to that because it's all metal. So let me get this organized. I've got the top lash on there, as you can see, and that is gonna go on this eye. And now I need to attach the little bottom pieces. It's got bottom left, middle, and bottom right. So let's go ahead and try to attach these accordingly. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a lot of y'all seeing just my forehead as I'm looking down trying to figure this out. All right, so I put one on the bottom. You can see it sticking up, and one on the top. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle one. I feel like once you've done this a few times, it'll probably be a lot easier. This is, like I said, my first time doing this, so this is gonna be a hot mess. but hopefully it like works. Because I ain't doing all this just for it not to work. I could just throw on some strip lashes and call it a day. Okay, it looks like I've got everything lined up on there. And then you're supposed to just press prongs together, connect the magnetic strips. They will instantly fasten around your lashes, then quickly release the remove applicator. Now your lashes are secure. Okay. That sounds a little overly confident, don't it? But yeah, let's go ahead and try this. Pray for me. And I do, like I said, I just have a little bit of mascara on. So let's go ahead and try this. Oh, okay. So it clipped on there pretty easy. Okay, so surprisingly that was pretty easy once I got those in place. So you can see the lashes on. It looks pretty secure. Let them move it around a little bit just so that it's sort of up on my lash line. I'm not mad at it. Those are sort of cute. Especially if you had some eyeliner on, then you would be able to sort of hide that a little better. It doesn't feel like it's the most secure. It's on there, but I feel like it definitely, with the strong gust of wind, they're flying back to wherever they came from. So be very careful with that. But, you know, if you're just in somewhere and you ain't doing no extra crazy activity where your eyelash is about to flutter off, then I feel like that would stay in place. So yeah, super cute. Let me go ahead and try the other side real quick. And I'm telling you, this is so much easier compared to the other lashes I did. Go ahead and see if I can get the camera down so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So let me clear off my desk first so y'all don't see all my damn mess up here that y'all can't see when the camera's not down. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this pretty well. So here is the lash. You can see that it's pretty magnetic. This is metal. So you're gonna follow the arch of the lash and the arch of the magnetic thingy. So just sort of trying to get that on there. It's wanting to stick everywhere. Okay, so the lash is on. So you can see when I go to turn this around on my lash, that'll be on the top, ready to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and this is the bottom right. So that will go on the outside. So here, again, we're gonna go ahead and put that there. The middle, same way. Lashes to the back. And you want to make sure you're lining it up with the magnet. So that is off a little. I'm just lining that up there. And now this last one goes on the end. That's what that looks like. Okay, so I got the lash on there like I did before. And now I'm going to go ahead and just clip it on. Oh, that one popped off a little quicker than what it was supposed to. See if I can just adjust it. Oh, I may have to redo that one. Okay, back on. Let me try this again. Okay, so the first one went on a little easier than this one, but this one is taking a little finessing. I always have issues with this side. This side's a little funky with the way my eyelashes are. You guys get the idea. They are both on, and yeah, they're sort of cute. I'm not even really mad at it. Those are really cute for being magnetic lashes. My mind is a little changed now because I was like, those first set of lashes I used were a mess. Like I said, super easy, different styles. I'm impressed. If you guys are interested in trying a pair, they are offering a discount, 10% off. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link that in the description box for you guys to use. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Need to do the wind test to bring a fan up in this piece and be like, ooh.